Yo, yo, yo! What's going on, man? As y'all can see the name of the title. This is Winchester. What kind of Winchester? Wildcat. Yeah. Let's take a look, man. It says Winchester on the box right here. You already see that. Yeah, enough of that. Let's open it up. Starting off with the NRA. I don't need that because I'm a part of the NRA already. Confirm when you know whatever that is. You have another booklet here. It's just about safety, I guess. You know, guess you want to read that. You know what I'm saying? Stay safe, y'all. Bang, get that to the side. And over here, then you just got the basic, manual, man. It just tells you about the gun. You know what I mean? About the rifle. You know, tells you the do's and don'ts about it. You know what I'm saying? Whatever. Water magazine. Whatever. You know what? Get that out the way. One thing I didn't notice, man. Where are my stickers at, bro? Yo, Winchester. Y'all tripping, bro. Y'all sending all this. Couldn't send your boy a sticker? You know I like stickers, man. Stop playing, man. Anyway, enough of them stickers. Stickers all right. Hold on. Send me no stickers, boy. Put that to the side. Y'all bear with me. There you go, y'all. There you go. Boom. Oh. She nasty. Anyway, y'all look. Fixed front sight. Alright. I think you can adjust it. Got the little screw there or not, but we're gonna figure that out. I don't know. Anyway, it's got an 18-inch barrel. It's a Winchester Wildcat 22 LR. Look at the name back there. Look at that name. Look at that. Wow. Wait, it sound like a Wildcat? Nah, I don't think so. Yeah, right there. Anyway, Wildcat. Boom, 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 boom. Yeah. And then I think this is like a peephole, a peeping Tom sight. Peeping Tom sight. You stupid. Nah, peephole or something. I don't know what it's called. Whatever. Yeah, man. Listen, I was gonna buy a 1022 Ruger, man, but if you know my channel, man, you know that I do a lot of reviews and promote budget-friendly pistols and rifles. So a 1022, even though it's not that expensive, it's about $380, and I'm talking about plain. One magazine, I think it's like $380. This is a 1022 clone. I paid $230 for it. All right? You guys do the math. 1022 Ruger, higher reliable. I did research on this for quite a while, and it seems like it's higher reliable. This is a clone, man. So it's an imitation of the real thing, but functions great. Yeah. Also, yo, this is the magazine right here. All right. If you want to release the magazine, you can pull on these slides here, and the magazine will drop. Also, it has another option here where you can pull this back, and the magazine drops. Let me just show you here. Boom. Falls right in your hand. All right. It clips right in. Or you can pull this out, pull it back. I mean, boom, drops in your hand. Of course, it got the safety here. Alright. One thing I like about this, it looks a little bit more tactical and more modern, I guess, because the Ruger, even though I like old school fashion, old school guns, I don't know, for some reason I just wanted a more tactical look, man. And this offers more. I don't know if they compensate you for something, but we're about to find out. But anyway, the 1022 Ruger doesn't have a top rail at all. This already comes with one. What else? If you take this piece off right here, let me see if I can take it off. Right here, you have a rail here where you can pretty much attach a bipod, and then right here, if you want to attach a sling. So attach the front sling here, goes to the back. You can see it. Where's it at? Boom, right here. So that's great, man, because alright, leave that out of there. I ain't struggling with that, right? I'm doing a video. I ain't struggling. You heard? But anyway, y'all, good thing is, man, I choose to pick this up, man. It's a more affordable price. Not affordable, it's just cheaper, bro. It's cheaper, but in price, not quality. Well, based on the reviews I watched. But we're gonna find out anyway if it is or not. But anyway, good thing is that this takes 10/22 magazines, man. This magazine here, let me put the rifle down. The only thing different is it looks just like the 10/22 mag, but it has this little pin here that it's a last round bolt hold open. So the last round, this will stay back because of that little pin. The Ruger magazine doesn't have that. So gotta keep that in mind if you're using a Ruger magazine in here, because it won't stay open on your last round. Other good thing is, like I said, it takes the Ruger magazines. This 25 round mag will fit in here perfectly. And it looks beautiful. Oh! Yeah, anyway, let's not get excited, right? It's just a damn gun. It's a rifle, whatever, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, let's put that down too. It don't come with much. You only bring this little lock here, some little books, one magazine. That's it. What I'm gonna be shooting? Aguila, whatever. I'm gonna show y'all the name and y'all pronounce it. This ain't English class or nothing, alright? I ain't trying to pronounce nothing. Yeah, so that's 22, 40 grain. I did reviews and they said this is pretty good. This is let me see. Shoo! Got old man eyes. See how you gotta back up like that? Dang! I gotta put that joint across the street so I can read it. Anyway, it says 1255 feet per second. Super extra. Yeah. We're gonna see how extra it is. Anyway, y'all, thanks for watching. Do me a favor, please like, subscribe, leave a comment, leave me a thumbs up, and stay tuned, man, where I'm gonna go take this out to the range. I'm gonna try and see if I can hit 25, 50, 75, and even 100 yards. I did order a scope, so hopefully that'll be here soon, so I can do the video. But if not, I'll probably just do a video with just the sights that comes on the gun. They're not iron. I was about to say iron sights, but they're not. They're plastic. Oh yeah, another thing. This gun, this rifle is, I think it's like 4 pounds. 4 pounds with an S. I think if I throw this thing up in the air, it might float, y'all. This is stupid light. Everything is plastic. I think except the barrel, the trigger, and a couple other things inside that might not be plastic. But everything else is pretty much polymer. I don't know. It's a high quality plastic, I think, y'all. We about to figure this out. We about to find out if this is good, man. I've seen a lot of good reviews and they shot thousands through it with no problems. So, yeah. Stay tuned. We're taking this out to the range, man. Shoot it with the sights that come on, and even with a scope that I ordered. You know I got a budget scope coming. Make no sense putting a $300-400 scope on a $200 gun. I mean rifle, right? I think. Anyway, thanks for watching, y'all. I'm gonna get out of here. Where you think I'm going? To the range.